Greetings to bakers, let's make stir-fried green beans. Get yourself a 2-pound bag of green beans like I showed earlier and cut off the tips and ends of the green beans and transfer them to a different bowl as you can see me doing here. I enlisted the help of my sister for this process, so thanks sister. Once you've finished preparing that truckload of green beans and also wash them, I hope, add some oil to your pan. I use avocado oil and transfer your green beans to your pan. I toss them together using tongs and then I let them cook for around 5 to 10 minutes. I set my burner to medium or medium-high heat during this process. After stir frying for 5 minutes, turn it over with your tongs here, as I see me doing, and then add in half a cup of soy sauce and mix it together. You want to be thorough with this process and coat the green beans individually and collectively with soy sauce. Once you're done, cover it and let it cook for 5 more minutes and mix it once again. And now for the, dare I say, most important part. Squeeze in the juice of half a lemon. This just adds more acidity and flavor than you would receive if you only added the soy sauce. Also, do not add salt because the soy sauce is salty enough. But also let me mention that you can add any seasonings that you desire to spruce up the flavor of this dish. And turn off the heat before you add in your lemon juice after you've achieved the texture that you desire. Now plate and serve this delicious dish. It was spectacular and I hope you try it and enjoy it. Thanks for watching.